Hi, I'm Miss Dani and he's my brother Leo, and today we're going to teach you how to make plastic flowers for decorate your home with PET bottles. The materials that you need are PET bottles, some clay, brushes, acrylic paintings or paintings, scissors, wood sticks, or if you don't have wood sticks, you can use all colors or pencils that you have at home, glue, and some rocks. The first step that we're going to make is to cut the PET bottle. Okay? Ask your mom or dad for help. Careful. You're going to put the PET bottle. We can use later this one for wash over brushes. Okay? If you see, the PET bottle has these lines, and you're going to try to cut all the lines. Okay, we can use different sizes of PET bottles. This time I'm going to use this one, and my brother is going to do this one. Okay, if you see, we have the lines already, so you're only going to cut. When we finish, we're just going to pull to the back. Okay, try it. Are you okay, Leo?
Not so good.
Okay, and we have our flower. Okay, when we finish, we're going to start to paint. Do you need help?
No.
Okay. When you finish, we're going to start to paint with the brushes. Okay, and I have some colors, so I'm going to choose the red one. And we're going to paint it in the back. We're going to paint all the petals of the flower. Remember, you can choose the color you want. Okay, we're going to wait, and then we're going to color the wood sticks. Okay, like this. Okay, the next step, do you finish? Okay, the next step, we already have this one, and we're going to put to paste or wood stick like this. We're going to put some glue. We're going to put our wood stick like this. and we're going to wait for a few minutes. So we have our flower. Okay, we have our flower, and if you want, you can add some leaves here. Okay, to make the flower pot, we can use the other part of the PET bottles in different sizes. Okay, this one or this one. In this case, I'm going to use this one.
It's más convincing.
Okay, so with some clay, we're going to make like this. Okay, and we're going to put it in the bottom of our flower pot. Okay, we're going to put some. Okay, and we're going to put our flowers like this. Okay, and remember that we need rocks. Okay, so we're going to put our rocks
Very
carefully inside our flower pot. And we almost finished with this. Okay, you can use your creativity or imagination to color or decorate your flower pot. And here is the result. Flowers made by PET bottles.